6 of the weirdest animals on the planet. What makes an animal weird? It could be its unusual appearance, unique behavior, or strange adaptations that set it apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. Some creatures look nothing like their closest relatives, while others resemble animals they aren't related to at all. Let's dive into the fascinating world of 6 of the weirdest animals on Earth and explore what makes them so extraordinary. 1. Naked mole rat. If you remember Kim Possible's sidekick Ron, you might recognize the naked mole rat Heterocephalus glaber. But despite its cartoon fame, this animal wouldn't make a great pet. Native to East Africa's semi-arid regions, naked mole rats thrive in large underground colonies, not as solo pets above ground. Although they seem hairless, their wrinkly skin is actually covered in tiny hairs that help them navigate dark tunnels. Their long, protruding teeth are perfect for digging, allowing them to feast on underground tubers. They even eat their own feces to recycle nutrients, an unappetizing habit, but a survival necessity. Their weirdness doesn't end there. When oxygen runs low in their tunnels, naked mole rats switch from using glucose, the sugar animals typically rely on, to fructose, the sugar plants use. This unique metabolic trick keeps them alive in harsh environments. 2. Pink fairy armadillo. As if pulled from a fairy tale, the pink fairy armadillo Chlamyphorus truncatus stands out with its rosy-colored shell. Unlike its gray or brown relatives, this smallest armadillo species measures just 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters long, and weighs about 1/4 pound, 0.11 kilograms. Despite its striking appearance, spotting one in the wild is a rare event. Found in Argentina's Mendoza province, even locals might never see this shy, burrowing creature. Its delicate shell and reclusive nature add an extra layer of mystery to its existence. 3. Sea pig. Some of the weirdest animals are those that evolved in environments vastly different from ours. Enter the sea pig genus Scotoplanes, a strange deep-sea dweller that roams the ocean floor. Despite its pig-like name, this animal is actually a type of sea cucumber. Found 1,800 to 22,000 feet, 550 to 6,700 meters below sea level. Sea pigs use their tube-like feet to scavenge for dead plants and animals that sink to the ocean floor, though only 2 inches to centimeters long. These marine cleanup crews will devour almost anything, much like their namesake on land. 4. Galapagos land iguana. The Galapagos Islands are a haven for unique species, including the brilliant yellow Galapagos land iguana, Canolophus subcristatus. While most iguanas sport shades of green, this striking reptile's golden hue makes it stand out in the volcanic landscapes of the islands. Adding to its oddity, Galapagos land iguanas often carry finches on their backs. But this isn't just a quirky hitchhiking scenario. The finches help remove pesky ticks from the iguana's scales, forming a mutualistic partnership that benefits both creatures. 5. Japanese spider crab. With legs stretching over 13 feet 4 meters, the Japanese spider crab Macroshira campheri looks like something out of a monster movie. Its spindly, spider-like legs extend from a comparatively small body, giving it a bizarre, otherworldly appearance. Despite its intimidating look, the Japanese spider crab is considered a seasonal delicacy in Japan. Fishers brave the depths to catch these crustaceans, whose weirdness only makes them more intriguing to adventurous food lovers. 6. Pangolin. The pangolin family Manidae might seem like a mix between an anteater and an armadillo, but its closest relatives are surprisingly cats and dogs. Covered in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, the same material as human nails, the pangolin has earned the nickname scaly anteater. Sadly, its unique appearance has made the pangolin a target for poachers. Over 1 million pangolins have been illegally hunted in the past decade, making them one of the most trafficked mammals on Earth. Conservation efforts are underway, but the pangolin's future remains uncertain. From underground tunnel diggers to deep-sea scavengers, these 6 animals remind us that nature is full of surprises. Their weirdness isn't just skin deep, it's what makes them perfectly adapted to their unique environments.